It's rained and rained and rained all day today. Monsoon rains, biblical flooding. Heading out to the north end of Flint, the rain has kind of died off, and we're going to go check on Dennis. I know a precious sister had asked about Dennis, wasn't aware that we found Dennis, and he was in the hospital for about a month. And he's using a walker now, and I'm going to go try to meet any needs that Dennis may have and help the homeless coming along. Well, I will go get it for you. How long are you going to be up here?
I'll be up here all day. Nice phone.
I'll be back.
I will be back.
Dennis, I want to see you in church Sunday.
Yeah.
I'll pick you up right here. Or wherever you're going to be.
No.
I want to see this guy in church Sunday.
Oh, what church?
Right down on Door Highway in Hemphill. Flint, Ignite Flint. Yeah, right on Dorton Hemphill. I'll pick you up.
That's way down there.
Yeah.
You guys let me know where you're going to be. I'll pick you up.
I'm right here. I need a backpack for real, sir.
I'm going to go get that today.
You know where I stay at?
No.
Okay, I'm going to tell you. Down here by
Lippincott and Dort?
Yep. Right behind, you know where the upholstery shop is?
The what shop?
Where they work on cars.
Okay.
Upholsteries.
Oh, upholstery?
Right behind that.
Dude, you take our picture every time I see you.
You know why?
You used to have a Harley, didn't you?
A Yamaha.
He still got it.
You know why though? Because no one will help you. They don't. If I'm not showing you guys, they don't believe you're out here.
Yeah.
I'm out here.
You're struggling. You're struggling. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're on Dort and Lippincott.
Yeah, right
Behind the upholstery.
You
place.
know where the easy stop is down here?
I think so.
Party store?
Yep.
Okay. Now if you go behind that,
Yeah. Abandoned building.
yeah, it's abandoned house.
Okay.
That's where I've been staying. I ain't been staying with.
All right, I made a run back home, and about all I got left in the garage is backpacks. So I got a backpack for Dennis and for Dennis's friend. We'll head back out to Dort Highway out on the north end of Flint, and deliver the backpacks. Amen. All right, now I'm going to deliver the backpacks to Dennis and his friend in the north end of Flint. All right, seems like they're very happy, so I want to thank all of you that support this ministry. Thank you for watching, and if you find it in your heart to support this ministry and outreach to the homeless, all the links will be below where it says Show More. Click on the Show More tab.